like super dead today. I mean, we'll take it. Take a little dead day. See when Callum gets here. He's got the day off today, so he's gonna be ripping with me. Hopefully he comes up. What's up, dude? You got coffee? Hell yeah, dude. What's up, bro? Dude, hell yeah. Oh yeah. And then once you get here, it gets soft. Yeah. Oh! Oh yeah, dude. Ooh. Yeah, it's quite nice over here. Oh. Oh my god, I'm digging my heel cup in, bro.
Fucking these glasses are like made for like extreme sun.
Oh shit.
I couldn't see shit.
Oh, I'm trying not to fucking snot rock on my glove. Did that go on the chair?
Is this it?
Yeah.
It's like rocks or like an actual...
I don't know. I'll go scope it because I don't know if I'm gonna hit a jump right now. My leg's hurting. Oh no, you're good. It's not much of a lip, but it's soft. Dude, second lap tame dog. Bro, you're wild. Oh.
Hit like a soft spot.
Oh my god. No, we gotta go on that chair. That'll be a fun ride. Bro, I can't believe you chucked a tame dog second lap. Dude, ain't no way I'm doing that right now. We can try heaven.
Yeah, we could try it.
Oh. 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 I tried holding on. Oh. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's go, bro. Yeah, bro, let's go. Dude, it's so soft.
Hey?
It's so soft.
So nice.
I want to hit this roller. I don't know if it'll be good, but I'm curious. Let me see. Bro! If we build a lip on that, tell me, if we build a lip on that, tell me that wouldn't be a fuck.
That would be a fucking real nice jump.
Would you be down?
Yeah, I'd be down.
Bro, let's do it, dude. Probably take us like 30 minutes to build it. Yeah. Don't have to take it a long time. Let's make the lip a little bit farther back. Yeah. Hold on, let me pack it down.
Yeah, pack it down.
Yeah. Bro, we're gonna fucking build this thing so good. I'm just gonna start like kicking the snow down. Bro, it's gonna be so good. Dude, this is gonna be a fucking sick booter, dude. I'm so stoked. What? Definitely kicky. I'm trying to mellow it out just a little bit. This might be a jump where you just hucking do grabs or spins. Bro, what do you think?
I reckon we hit this bitch.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm ready, dude. Send it. Don't speed check, just fucking hit it. Bro!
It's so kicky, bro.
Oh, I'm stoked. Oh, I'm so excited to hit this. I'm gonna send a front 3. Bro! Dude! So fire!
That was so clean.
Was it? Dude, let's go. I can hit it faster.
Yeah.
I wanna try grab Indy 3, like do a 360 and grab Indy. Like tweak the fucking arm out, bro. I would be so stoked to fucking land something like that. Oh yeah. We built a booter. Oh, heaven?
Oh, no, heaven?
Oh, dude, full proper jump.
Yeah, you hit tame dogs or some shit.
He kicked him into a backflip. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll throw an Indy. So like I'll grab here.
Yeah.
And like tweak the arm when I do. Dude, I'm fucking doing it, dude. Yeah, dude, I'm so hyped. Woohoo! Oh! 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 Ow! Dude, you got it. Yeah! Oh! Bro! I was so... Dude, I grabbed Indy.
That was fucking sick.
Was it?
That was so cool.
I grabbed Indy, but I was so vortex, almost caught my toe edge. Dude! Yo! Dude! Are you kidding? Bro, I'm hyped. That was so sick. Are you doing a tame dog? Bro, what? Dude, sick. Oh my god. Oh, yo! Yeah. Oh yeah, dude, you can see our fucking booter. Oh, excuse me. We built probably the best jump on the mountain.
Probably.
Like proper fucking first time ever built. That's my first jump I've ever built. Is that your first time? Yeah. Bro, and it's fucking sick, well. Dude. It's like, it's oh. Oh no! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Gus.
Oh, what's up, Gus? Yeah! That shit looks gnarly from here.
Fucking looks mental.
Bro, I'm getting this.
Fuck yeah. Let's go.
Oh my god!
Holy fuck.
That was pretty gnarly. I missed my pop. Oh!
So quick.
Yeah, I kind of missed my pop to like get like air. Yeah. I missed it. Yeah. Oh. I did a front 3 on that little jump right before coming down here, and I lost all my speed.
That video you had with the Zaki.
Oh, dude, I know.
Dude.
Yeah, it's over. It's over 1 mil now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, bro.
It's sick. Are you coming? You're gonna hit it?
I'll see.
Yeah,
I'll
dude.
see. It looks like I pissed myself.
What?
I was.
Oh, you definitely did. Yeah! Oh my god! You caught your toe and so. Bro! Dude, it's in your ear!
What did you do?
He caught his toe edge and fucking scorpion.
Did you get on video?
Yeah. This is so sick, dude. Oh! Hello.
I'm gonna try tame dog.
You gonna try tame dog? You get it, dude. Oh! She's gonna do a front 3. Bro, I almost front 5! Bro! Bro, I literally front 5!
Dude, that was fucking sick, dude.
Holy
So
shit!
sick. You spun so much.
You got it, Gus!
Just slow, just roll over it.
Yeah! Woo! Sick, dude!
Chill, eh? Oh, it's
chill.
chill. It's not too bad. It's actually
Dude.
good. Yeah. Cheers, bro.
Hell yeah! Oh my god! Dude, it's crazy. I almost just died. Yeah! Oh my god! Bro, it looked like you were like, you know those divers that do this? Into the water? That's what oh! I'll still back you up! Oh! Yeah! Sick, dude.
Yeah. No, that was nice. How much do you pay for it? What the fuck, dude? Skinny jeans.
You got it, Cal. Yeah. Oh!
So close.
Bro, that's it. Oh no! That was it.
Like, yeah.
Dude, I love your falls, dude. Your falls are awesome. Yeah. Do I go for the 5?
Yeah. Oh, sure.
Yeah? Go for a 5? Okay. Do you want me to record? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. Oh. Or do I go for a front 3 but grab Indy?
Front 540 Indy.
Front 5? Indy?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh.
You good?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm alright.
Yeah, my fucking head. Oh man. Dude, I literally snapped it right off. Again, I got a headache.
Shit, dude.
Yeah, I fucking smoked it.
Yeah, dude, snap.
Fuck me, that was gnarly.
Oh.
Hopefully, we'll see in a minute if I have a concussion. Hopefully not. That'll be like the 10th concussion.
Really?
Yeah, I've had like 9 concussions.
Holy fuck.
Hey, what's up, guys? Just driving home now. Got a little bit of a headache after that slam. I'm probably seeing this at the end of the video. Yeah, that was super unfortunate the way to end the day like that. Catching the heel edge and slamming right to the face of the jump kind of sucked. Definitely don't know if I'm concussed or if I have a headache. Not 100% sure. Kind of feel a little weird, but I think I'm good. But just another reminder to always wear your helmet, because goddamn, that lip, I packed it so hard with my head. All my speed straight came to a dead stop with the back of my head. Literally broke the mount on the GoPro. Super unfortunate, but yeah, thought I'd just come in here and just do a little outro. Yeah, just always wear your helmet. It's so important. That's saved my life again. Super grateful, super thankful. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace.